This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to change grouped animations in PowerPoint to sequential animations. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This is PowerPoint 365. It doesn't matter if you're using the Windows version or the Mac version. It all works the same. And in this particular case, when these bullets are animated, they all appear at the same time. And I want them to appear sequentially. So let's take a look at how they look right now, and I'm going to show you how to change them. So I'm going to play from current slide, and you can see when I press the PowerPoint clicker or the arrow or the mouse, they all appear at once. I don't want that to happen. And then right after that, an arrow and a box appear. So I'm going to change that. Press Escape. What you need to do is you need to open up the Animations tab on PowerPoint, and then open up the Animations pane. You'll see that in the tab. And you can see these numbers appear next to the bullets. It says 1 there. That means the first time I pressed the PowerPoint clicker, they all appear at the same time. And then you can also see a 2 here and a 2 here. So what I want to do, I want to leave the 2, the arrow, and the frame just as they are. But I want to change all of these bullets, which are currently appearing at the same time, into sequentially appearing. So the way to do that is select all of them. So what I did is I clicked one of them, and then I held down the shift and used the arrow keys to select them all. And then you'll see the timing and the triggers. So what we're going to be doing, it says start. Currently, it's basically all of these are with previous. I'm going to change it to on click. And notice how the numbers just changed from 1 to 1 through 7. This means that they're going to animate in sequence. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. So I'm going to go to Slideshow, play from the current slide, and then as I press the arrow key or the PowerPoint clicker, you can see they appear one by one. So there's 7 bullets. They'll all go through that. And then when I press the 8th time, the frame and the arrow appear at the same time because I didn't change that. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And if you go to in30minutes.com, check out our book, PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. It covers all kinds of stuff like this. It's very easy to understand, and it's a great book. I'm sure you will agree. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.